That'll ruin your makeup. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is May and I have the Porcelain Perfection Mystery Bag from IPSY and the Ginkgo Glow Mystery Bag for the month of May from IPSY. Let's get right into it. First, I'm gonna start with the Ginkgo Glow. It is this really cute, I'm assuming this is ginkgo, like the plant. So why else would they call it that? Super cute red bag. It has this dark blue liner. Love it. First thing in this bag is the Halo Honey, the Ola Neon Lip Drip in Gloss Me. I did just receive one of these, so I'm going to put this in my gift bin. Very cute. The ELLIS. It's too bright. The ELLIS Dear Sky perfume. This has honeydew, melon, strawberry leaf, tuberose, white peony, and amberette. Let's see. Ooh. You know, it reminds me of a Chanel perfume. This kind of reminds me of Chanel Chance, the original. Lovely. Who doesn't love the original Chanel Chance? It smells really good. Two eye masks from ACEOLOGY, Hydro Glow. Love that. And we have two more little items in here. The Blink Tubing Brow Juice. Brow juice. What is brow juice? Are you clear? I don't know what brow juice is. You guys don't mind this brow. I'm trying to grow it back in because I like accidentally took too much off of it. So I just have it filled in a little extra. That actually worked really well. I like this, so thank you. We have the Carbonite Water Resistant Eyeliner. I really struggle so hard to get these open, but I got it. Yep, it is a winged eyeliner. Super black. Should I do a wing? Let me just go for it. I'm just making it worse. I tried to do a wing. Bad idea, because I'm in the middle of filming like mass content right now, and that eyeliner, definitely I need to like focus and take my time with. I feel like the brush is thin, but not thin enough to where you could just do it really nicely. So I had like these two crazy lines. And anyways, I just had to change up my makeup a little bit to continue filming. So let's continue. That is what was in the Ginkgo Glow Mystery Bag. Overall, pretty good. I don't know, if you don't regularly get these bags, it'd be nice to try, but I wouldn't say that one's a must. And then next is the Porcelain Perfection Mystery Bag. I do always enjoy the larger bags more, so let's check it out. It does have this bright blue detail in this beautiful white bag. Gorgeous on the inside. First is the GIRLACTIK Glow Prep. This is like a primer. Ooh, it's a wand. Okay, I wasn't expecting a wand. I definitely was not expecting a wand. I don't know if this is a body glow or for your face. It's really beautiful. It's like super gold. Wow, it's actually really nice. I'm gonna use that as a body glow. Can never have enough body glow. Love to shimmer and shine. Next is the Hey Honey Make a Splash Hydrating Aqua Serum. Ooh, it's like a milky serum. Doesn't really have a smell. It's like very thick, super hydrating on the skin. Lovely. Next is the Sophia and Mabel Hydra and Hold Setting Spray. Cute. Let's give this a go. Ooh. Oh my god, that is awful. It smells so good, but like, can you see it literally just... Holy shit. That literally was just the worst sprayer. Oh my god. That literally was just like a hose. They definitely need to work on their spray technology. It smells really good. I don't know if the product works well, but that will ruin your makeup 100%. All the hard work you put in to blend everything so perfectly and then just whoosh, that'll ruin your makeup. No thank you. Sella Perfect Plumping Lip Balm. Ooh, this is nice. This is like a balm. This is not a gloss. Very thick, very hydrating. This would be great if you had like chapped lips or maybe a little sunburn on your lips and you need something. It's not glossy. It's not like a lip mask. This is like genuinely a lip balm and it smells really good. And lastly, in this porcelain mystery bag is the Illuminating Primer Gel from Cheekbone in Golden Light. Cool. Okay. That's also really beautiful. It's like a very bright gold. Actually, that's really nice. You know, bronzing drops are great, but it's always nice to have an actual illuminizer. Oh wow, that actually has a lot of glitter in it when I wiped it off. I don't know if you'd want that on your face. I personally wouldn't want that much glitter on my face, but I do like body glitter, so I'll probably just use that on my body. Even though it's a primer for your makeup, it's all right. I can just use it how I want to use it. That is what was in the Porcelain Perfection Mystery Bag from IPSY for the month of May. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next. And thank you for watching.